Let me start with a quick story. You might be able to relate to this, especially if you've ever tried to be a do-it-yourself guy and it backfired. So there was this time in the kitchen. I was under the kitchen sink. I thought, how hard could it be to fix a leak? It turns out very hard. One wrong move, I snapped the spigots underneath the sink. Water started gushing everywhere. It was a complete mess. And it was late, around 10 p.m. I was desperate, scrambling for help. I Googled plumbers near me, and I called one plumber after another, left voicemails, but no one answered. It was crazy. There was water still pouring out, and it wasn't until I got to the 10th plumber on the list that I finally got a response. Not from a person, though, but from a chatbot. This bot was a lifesaver. It quickly advised me on how to shut off the water, helped me book an appointment, and even connected me with the plumber directly. The plumber picked up the phone and came over to the house, and in no time, fixed the mess that I made. What's the point I'm trying to make here? If you're a plumber, a salon owner, a dentist, or run any service-based business, being the first to respond to a customer can be the difference between making money and missing out. And this isn't just about plumbing, it's any business that relies on being reachable and responsive. But what happens when the business can't always answer every call or message instantly? That's where AI chatbot comes in, and that's why today we're talking about how you can use this tool to start your own digital marketing agency or add a powerful service to your existing one. Think about it. Every missed call, every unanswered message is a potential lost sale. In fact, stats show that businesses that respond to inquiries within 5 minutes are far more likely to convert those leads into paying customers. But who's answering these calls when you're busy with other clients and when it's after hours? That's the golden opportunity with AI chatbots. They're not just answering machines, they're smart, responsive, and can handle everything from booking appointments to answering common questions. They're like having a 24/7 employee who never takes a break, and here's where you come in. If you're looking for a profitable side hustle or even a full-time online business, offering AI chatbots to local businesses is a goldmine. Why? Because businesses are always looking to improve customer service and capture more leads, and they'll pay good money for tools that help them do just that. Let me walk you through how easy it is to set one up, okay? Now, first off, you don't need any coding skills, or all you need is the right software and you're good to go. Here's a step-by-step on how to get started. Step 1, connect the client's online presence. First, you link the bot to the client's website on their Google My Business profile. It's as simple as logging in and clicking connect. This lets the bot access basic business info like services, operating hours, and FAQs. Step 2, feed the bot the right info. Now, you need to train the bot, and I promise it's easier than it sounds. For example, if you're setting up a bot for a dentist, you'll include info like available appointment slots, pricing for common services, and any special offers. You can even pull this info directly from the business's website. This lets the bot scan the site and learn about the business. You can also manually input common questions and the right answers. Like here, for example, I just copied the Q&A from the client's website's FAQ page. Number 3, connect communication channels. Make sure the bot is set up to handle messages from various channels, text messages, chat widget, live chat, Instagram and Facebook Messenger, etc. This way, no matter how a customer reaches out, the bot is ready to respond. Number 4, test it out just like we did with the missed call text back. Do a quick test, ask the bot some typical questions a customer might ask, and see how it responds. Adjust the answers if needed, and once it's good, hit save, and this will go live. The bot is now ready to start helping customers and bringing in business. Now, finding clients isn't as tough as you might think, especially with tools that can do the heavy lifting for you. One of my favorite tools is the Marketing Audit Report. That's included in the software. This tool scans local businesses and shows you exactly who's in need of help. It even ranks them by conversion rates, whether they're low, moderate, or very high. So you know who's most likely to become a paying client. You can literally walk into a business, show them their audit report and say, hey, I noticed you might be missing out on a lot of leads. I can help fix that with the AI chatbot. You're not just selling them a service, you're showing them the exact gaps in their business and how you can fill them. Okay, let's talk numbers here. As a digital marketing agency, you can charge anywhere from $300 to $500 a month per client for this service. It's mostly passive income because once the bot is set up, it runs on its own. You just need to check it occasionally to make sure it's all working smoothly and make updates as needed. So if you land, think about this, if you land 5 clients at $400 each, that's an easy $2,000 a month, and you can scale from there. So if you're ready to take the plunge and start offering AI chatbots to local businesses, I've got everything you need to get started right away. Click the link below for free courses, scripts, snapshots, funnels, and even exclusive webinars that will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's all laid out for you, no guesswork needed. Just follow along and you'll be up and running in no time. All right, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're ready to dive in, or if you have any questions. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.